The bags are packed. The taxi is here. But wait, where is Leo? We have a plane to catch. Today is the big day. The family is going on their first trip together. But an airport is a very busy place. Mark is stressed. Leo is excited. And Grandma is just trying to remember if she turned off the stove. Heavy bags. Repeat after me. The suitcase is heavy. Leo isn't worried. In his mind, he's already flying above the clouds. The airport. In English, we call this the terminal. It is like a giant beehive. We must hurry. The doors are opening. The adventure is starting. Do you have your passport ready? Let's join the family. The clock is ticking.
Where is Terminal 3? Is it left or right?
Dad, the sign says SkyTrain. Can we take the train?
So many people. Everyone is in such a hurry. Why can't we just walk slowly?
First, we must check in. This is where we get our boarding passes. Say it with me. Boarding pass. One for Mark. One for Elena and one for Leo. We are official travelers now. No liquids. No jam. Only small bottles are allowed. Poor Grandma. Repeat after me. That is too much jam. The line is long. Everyone is waiting. To go through security, we must follow the rules. Are you ready?
You must take off your belt. You must empty your pockets. It is time to be quick. Leo, you have to put your plane in the bin.
No. My plane needs to fly. It can't go in the box.
It's okay, Leo. The machine is like a camera. It wants to take a picture of your plane. Repeat after me. Put it in the bin. Good job. Now let's watch it go inside. Bye-bye, plane. See you on the other side.
Oh dear. Why is it making that noise? I don't have a phone.
It's your earrings, Mom. The machine thinks they are dangerous.
Dangerous? They are my favorites.
Metal makes a beep.
No metal allowed. Repeat after me. Take off the jewelry.
Laptops go here. Tablets go there. I feel like a juggler.
My plane. It's back. And it looks very clean.
Security is finished. We're safe. Now comes the best part, the duty-free and the gate. We are through. Look at this place. It is like a city inside a building. Everything is so bright.
Flight 402, Gate B12. It says wait in lounge. We have time for a snack.
Whoa, it's huge. Dad, is our plane bigger than a house?
Much bigger, Leo. And much faster too.
Look at the wings. They are very long. Repeat after me. The airplane is enormous. Up, up and away. It is going into the clouds. Can you see it?
This chair is better than my sofa at home. I think I will stay here forever.
Don't get too comfortable, Mom. We board in 20 minutes. Okay, Leo. Grandma, are you ready to know where we are going? We are going to Rome.
Italy. Pizza, pasta, and history. What a beautiful surprise. Repeat after me. We are going to Italy.
Pizza. I want pizza for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
And I want to see the old statues. Oh, Mark, what a wonderful gift.
Attention passengers. Flight 402 to Rome is now boarding at gate B12.
That's us. Grab the bags. It's time to go to the gate. We are walking down the tunnel. This is the bridge to the airplane. It's getting louder. Can you hear the engines?
Hi, Leo. You and your family are welcome on board.
The bag goes above your head. This is the overhead bin. It is a very small closet for bags.
Click. You must fasten your seatbelt. Safety first. Repeat after me. Fasten your seatbelt. Pull it tight. Now you are safe and secure. Are you ready for the sky?
This picture shows a yellow mask. Do I have to wear a mask? I want to see the clouds.
Only in an emergency, Mom. Just relax and enjoy the flight. We are moving. The plane is taxiing to the runway. That means it is driving like a car.
Listen. The engines are getting very loud. We're going faster and faster and faster. We are flying. Look at the houses. They look like toys. Repeat after me. We are in the air.
I'm a bird, Dad. I'm a bird in a giant metal nest.
The wheels are down. Thump. We have landed in Italy. Can you feel the excitement?
This is the baggage claim. We are waiting for our suitcases. The belt is moving round and round.
Is that yours? No, that one is red. Mark's bag is silver. Repeat after me. I see my bag.
Dad, where is my small blue bag? My toy plane is in there.
Don't worry, Leo. It will come. Let's watch the belt.
There it is. It was the very last one. A little blue bag for a little pilot. Repeat after me. We found it.
Welcome to Italy. Have a wonderful stay.
They made it. From the taxi to the terminal and across the sky to Rome. Let's review the big words from today. First, the passport. Then the security gate. Then the departure lounge. And finally, the airplane. Grandma was sad about her jam. Leo was happy about his flight. One more time. It was a great trip. Now, the family is going to find some pizza. I am going to find a nap. You did excellent today. See you next time.
You traveled with us. Great job. See you in Project 6.
Subscribe for more family stories. See you next time.